Well, I've been coming to the Vein Center now for almost 4 years, and I always look forward to coming here because everyone's so pleasant and friendly, and they make me feel extremely comfortable and relaxed no matter what procedure I'm having. And it's just a fun place to be. When I first came here, I had the Thermage procedure done, and I was nervous to have that done, but they made me feel relaxed, and they would stop at any point if I was having a problem with it or didn't understand what they were doing, and they explained everything to me. The Thermage procedure really didn't change my life. It just made me feel better about myself. And the thing I like most about the clinic here is they offer non-surgical procedures to correct problems or enhance your appearance so that you don't have anything drastic done. And when you do see someone that you haven't seen in a long time, it's just a subtle change that they notice, but they do notice it, and they say, gee, you look really nice today. Have you done anything special? And depending on who it is, I'll confide in them, and I give them Dr. Hunt's name and telephone number and tell them how much they would enjoy coming here.